Bunjani bafethu, man of the match performance from Ukamokhelo Sibelebele namhlanje bafethu. I think the guy was solid for you Orlando Pirates in that right back position. And the thing that I applaud ngegame yakhe namhlanje bafethu, he was super solid when it comes to defending. I don't remember any winger Stellenbosch beating Ukamokhelo Sibelebele in a 1v1 situation. He won all his duels namhlanje bafethu. And when you play as a left back or a right back or any position in that defensive role, mina I rate you bafethu when you defend very well. When you deal with your aerial duels, your 1v1 duels very well. And I think namhlanje Ukamokhelo Sibelebele did that very well for you Orlando Pirates. He's one of their best players out there namhlanje for you Orlando Pirates, alongside Utito Masongai, who also I think the guy put in a serious shift. But I think the man of the match, I have to give it to Ukamokhelo Sibelebele, because bafethu, the guy was solid. He was winning everything. Aerial duel, he was winning a 1v1, and bafethu lo mjito udefender ngespeed as high, and I was a little bit skeptical because defender ngaleso speed as high bavele bakushange nge-spacing nje but or one touch phambi kwakho bakushiyile yangithola, but he was timing them very well. So for me, he totally deserves the man of the match award, and salute to him bafethu. Like kancane umjita, he's making that position his own bafethu, and credit must be given to Coach Abdeslam for seeing what the guy can play as a wing back or as a full back, depending on how you want to call him in that position for Orlando Pirates. Salute.
Alright, induku ivulelwe lapha e-Athlone Stadium kubulawa iStellenbosch, rightfully so. Ibingekho yenze njani, bekufanele sibulawe iStellenbosch ngenduku kugijinyiswa ileague phela manje. So I think we can all agree that Orlando Pirates was the better side from the first whistle to the final whistle. I was quite disappointed with the approaches dailies, because I don't think they came here to win the game. I think they came here not to lose, and that's a horrible approach considering the fact that you're home and also you're chasing top 8. I mean, if they won this game, bebangena ku top 8. First things first, defense Orlando Pirates kule game le was very solid. Everyone in the defensive line, right? There was no shaky moment. I mean, Usibelebele deserved a man of the match. Those runs, those recover runs that he would make, tracking back and also adding numbers in attack. That guy has an engine for days. Usibelebele, well deserved the man of the match for him. But also Usiema Beno Sibisi bafethu. We also need to compliment Usibisi, because when he's not doing well, we are so quick to judge him. But when he's doing well, we are quiet. And the Gule game there, he was one of those guys who kept the defense very firm for Orlando Pirates. There has been a tactical shift after injury Gamrem. Aksaki Junior left, because Mfukeng drifts inside. That's his strong side. But every time he drifts inside, he created an opportunity for Orlando Pirates. I mean, kuna opportunities out too that Mfukeng created. I think one was for Police and the other one was for Utito. Had they converted those opportunities, Pirates could possibly be 3-4-0 up first half, because they were clear-cut opportunities. So Mfukeng did have a quiet game, but lapo na lape bevela, and every time he had the ball, and he would make something for Orlando Pirates. So great game by them. 27 games played, 2 points behind the Sundowns. We don't know what's going to happen in the title race, but we'll definitely be there.
They are now even scoring from set pieces. Like, they attack you from all angles. Set pieces, shots outside the box, 1-2 play inside the box. It's like constant. Like, this constant pressure that you have to deal with. Pirates wave after wave after wave after wave after wave after wave of attack. Eventually you're going to give in. Eventually, you don't know what's going on. That's why Stevens comes out, he punches the air. Because it's wave after wave after wave of attack. Pirates, damn it, man. Mufokeng, I see he's learned dark arts. Hey, Mufokeng. I swear to David changed him. Now he's a master of the dark arts. And once again, Makgopa, listen, you go, Bruce. Makgopa doesn't stay. Makgopa goes to the World Cup. Like, this guy, big games. When there's a big game, Makgopa licks his lips. He smells blood. He will punish you in big games, Makgopa. Hey, he's dangerous. I want in the air. Everything. He's just winning everything in the air. Hey, Pirates. Constant attack. Guys, I'm sorry. Apollo's player of the season. I know. Big statement I made. Big statement. Mara Apollo's play of the season ahead of Mufokeng. I'm sorry, guys. I know Mapakane, you might disagree, but there are guys been consistent not every single, but he's played basically every single game. And he's a danger man when he's on the ball. Dangerous man on the ball. But Uncle Gav, why were there so many spaces in the midfield? Pirates were allowed to play the ball in that midfield, finding gaps and pockets. Uncle Gav. And the subs were made too soon. I'd say you should have made the subs 60th minute. That's when you can change. Like, bring them on second half. I know you're 2-0 but bring them on. Let's see how the first 10-15 minutes go, and then you can make the subs. They were too soon. Way too soon. And Sipo Chain, your kit, my brother, is so clean. You can wear it next game. No, there's no need to wash it, Bella. You did nothing. You weren't even threatened. You did nothing. So don't wash your kit. Save it for the next game. And I need to question something. This Athlone Stadium, why are games so fast paced? It's just, I blinked halftime. And I looked 2-0 down. When the Pirates scored those 2 goals, I blinked and first half was over. It's at Athlone Stadium because Kaizer Chiefs, same thing happened. Hi, but nothing to say. Pirates are not going down without a fight. Still, you twerked. You twerked.
Hello, Sisi. Don't lose as office the Kaizer Chiefs says. Oh, okay, good. Good, yes. Uthetha noTumelo Trom, i-speak person sabalandeli be-Orlando Pirates ne-president yabalandeli bebhola i-Afrika yonke jikelele. Every Africa. We are very excitement. Yo, besoba yintoni? Kuba besibethiwe siStellenbosch. Besoba yintoni kuhlekwa ngabantu beChiefs neSundowns? Sorry? No, siswami andizange ngizona iqhayisela ngokuba saze sabethi iStellenbosch kwaze kwathini. No, siswami, no, ndadlula kwezo zinto. Zinto zokuba childish ezo sizoba sibe siqhayiselana kodwa singabe sesowethu sonke. Ndimamele kaloku sisuba ndizothini. Into endize ngayo namhlanje ndifuna uyakhumbula ngoku yakwakusithwa hlangana Zulu kuthethwa ngeKZN. Ndifuna nathi senze yethu sithi hlangana sowethu. Uyayibona ne? Ndimamele kaloku sisi. Ngomso nina nithi nidlala neSundowns. Thina sesidlalile indima yethu namhlanje sabethi iStellenbosch. So thina sicela ke ngoku ngomso nani nidlala indima yenu nibethi iSundowns sawuni supporta ngomso. Sizabe sithetha into enye sithi hlangana sowethu. Sifuna ukuniyuza ngomso siyaniyuza Petronella uyangiyuza emveni koko sasayingena indaba yethu. Sorry, no, andihleki sizidithi ngomso nje uyabona uqala, in fact uqala ngoku nje going forward ndifuna nje silungise izinto between iChiefs nePirates. Le nto basibe sisupportana nabantu boPitoli, sisupportana le nto ayikho right la nto sisi yoba sibe sihlekana kodwa sisuke sowethu sonke. Funa sithi hlangana sowethu. Umzekelo nale win yanamhlanje siwinela nina nje kuba sibethi iStellenbosch sisibethela nina neleague xa siyithatha sayithatha ibe yethu sonke apha sowethu. Usekhona utrophile yabona zifuna ubayuza ngomso.
Stellis itro sendlula itro. Uyabona masebesho le ngoma yabo ethi sekusele kancane ivele ndimbona uSmisi ephakamisa ndimbona uSipho Mbule baxina ngechampagne. Stellis
Yabona, in this game, babili abadlali who stood out for me. I understand about the rest. Makaula was very vital. He was very important on helping Usbisi Nosiema defensively. And Umakhopa, first half, was very effective, winning those aerial battles against Oli Sandano, Musa Lebusa. Those players stood out for me in this game where a lot of people would have opted to go to coach Coach Wadu plays the likes of Nemtetjela ahead or Mbutuma ahead of Mahopa. So in Denga in this game, Coach Wadu got his tactics on point, making sure ukuthi he tweaks game plan Orlando Pirates abayijwayele ukuyibona abantu abaningi. So big ups to Coach Wadu, good game bafethu, and great game by Tito Maswangane as well, adjusting to my dynamics of game, not holding up the game, the ball is cut a seat, and making sure what he's running. Grounding. So congratulations to Orlando Pirates. Now the big game is tomorrow between Imam Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs.
Yabona le mqondo ya dancing igcwele ama-shot awumulilo. Gcwele ama-shot awumlilo le mqondo leya. I'm not gonna be long kule video ne. Orlando Pirates 2, Stellenbosch 0. Oh my goodness, what a first half. What a first half. No low block, no back passes, pure football. Going pound for pound, baba. Bekuyimpi yamadoda le. On the Orlando Pirates side, yabona le lineup le. I know ukuthi as a fan of Orlando Pirates, you saw that lineup and you completely lost your mind. Ngiyakwazi ukuthi you lost your mind. But I'm going to tell you, that was a good lineup. I'm going to tell you, that was a good lineup on paper. Any day, that's a good lineup. Because of how Coach Wadu has tried to be consistent with the lineup, especially now towards the end of the season, where you are playing to win every game. You would rather take what you know works for you than to try to experiment. That is good. And we know within front you have Moremi, Apollo Rele, and Mbutuma. That's a working formula, right? And in a game where now you are a bit destabilized by an injury of one of your front four men, which is Umoremi, and now it makes you forget to go to you still have good players, and you still have players that are able to play in any position. I'm talking about Reda Mufogeng, who's been playing as a number 10. Yeah, but so when you take him and put him on the left wing, people become uncomfortable. But then Urele comes in and then he shows you, I'm actually a good player. I'm not a position player or a system player. I'm actually a good player. I can give you something at number 10. I can give you something at number 11, at the left wing, which is what he was doing today. Yeah, but so that was a good lineup. I had absolutely no problem with that lineup, considering the conditions in which Orlando Pirates is under currently. We are about this game, bro. When you look at some players like Koma Kaula and Oxy and Omobabuga ngehlo of modern football, ungaba frustrated usho ukuthi hey lo mdlali lo, we need to move past this player. But mina ngiyaba understand, Omakaula is a very important player. You are not going to get a forward pass, you're not going to be progressive with Omakaula. Uzokunikeza ama back pass, but boy oh boy, he covers that defense perfectly, especially in a system in Orlando Pirates where you udlala ngama fullback and you want them to go forward and overlap and help out in attack and add numbers. You are leaving these center backs exposed and they want to be apart. What happens in the middle while they are apart, Usibisi no CM, yabo, that is where Omakaula comes in and covers that. With Omakaula, Uduba is not running away na lela bola as will figure la paya to a point where he's able to give an assist to Umut. I'm telling you that for free. Omakaula is not allowing that. So he does his role perfectly. I'm a player Zafana no Omakaula no Oxy, bayawenza ma roll up. Where now frustrated ukuthi ufuni forward pass with CTM. That is old school. Those are old school players. So I understand your frustration, but I'm going to tell you what they do their work perfectly. Yeah, but yeah, what a game by Sebelebele. Sebelebele is such an amazing player. Oh my goodness, he's the man of the match. Impressive. I love how consistent he has been. Kuma game. Hey, since it happened, Sebelebele has been on fire. He has been on fire. Very important for their defense here, Orlando Pirates. It was a good game, not an easy one. Rele performed good game. I know I want to the only thing Rele performs when he scores. He provided an assist, created space for himself very well on the left. I love the interchange of positions between Utito and Ulokuza or Apollos in this game. They complemented each other very well. I think Ulokuza has a very good thing going on in that centre back pairing to Ilokuza East Stellenbosch. Any Nama and Unda to they complement each other. And also Unda is a very, very smart defender. I'm surprised how he was beaten by Umakopa twice in those aerial balls. But then Umakopa was very important for the type of goals that the Orlando Pirates scored today. Great cross by Ulokuza Utito, which ended up in a goal. And that is what I lament about Umathuluthi Nosibelebele. I'm going to make a separate video about that. So yeah, a well-deserved win, man, by Orlando Pirates. They showed a fighting spirit and they showed Uguti they really won this league. And in mentality is one that proves you Uguti they believe Uguti the title is still on and they want to participate, not only participate but win. Let me know what you thought about this game. Apollos, you are amazing.
Okay, bafethu, that's it for video namhlanje. All I can say bafethu ukuthi I've been saying lento lengoTito bafethu. And yeah, some of you guys might not like him. And it's lose Ebola, he slows down the play. But bruh, uTito mfethu has a goal in him. He always has a goal or assist again, and you can't bench a player like Anjalo, bruh. You can't bench a player like that. Like I feel like if uTito like played consistently this season, Obezo World Cup because he's that good, bruh. And not like a squad to say something number 10 either than really because I don't think with something who's on right now he's washed. But I still collab, but great game, Orlando Pirates, another victory. And yeah, but we're not going down without a fight. And I'm was from you, Pakanias, who are we supporting? We are just neutrals, we are just watching a game and just enjoy. Because there will never be a point in my life where I'm like, I'm supporting the Chiefs. Never. I will never support the Chiefs in play too. And at the same time, I just want a draw. A draw is all I want, bro. A simple draw, but I feel like Sasanda is going to win, bro. But even if they do win, league side title still in pit. It's because yeah. We are going to win the league, but and thank you for watching and subscribing. Leave video and saying they are cool. 17 minutes, bro. Yo. This video is too long, so I'm going to cut it short. But thank you for watching and subscribing. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you very much.